Some people believe that we only use 10% of our brain, but in actual fact, we don't. We use all of it. No one really knows where the myth comes from. It is thought that the idea came from the psychologist William James in 1900. He said we are only making use of a small part of our possible mental and physical resources. It is believed that William James's quote is thought to be true because everyone wants to believe that they have untapped potential inside them and we could do so much better. In 1934, the neuroscientist Carl Ashley removed portions of brains from rats who were trained to navigate around a maze. He found that he could damage areas of the cerebral cortex and the rats were still able to perform the task. He found out that the greater the area of damage, the more impaired the rats were at the task. Our brains are so much more complex than Ashley's lab rats. If only 10% of our brains were functioning, then we wouldn't be able to navigate correctly. According to Dr. Barry Gordon, who was born in Connecticut and studied neurology, we use virtually every part of our brain. Over the course of a full day, humans use nearly 100% of their brain, even during sleep. During sleep, you go through brief stages of rapid eye movement, which reflect very different patterns of brain activity. This proves the brain is still working even during rest. The average human brain comprises of only 2% of our body mass, but uses 20% of our energy, much more than expected for a relative brain size. The majority of the energy consumed by the brain powers millions of neurons communicating with each other through electrical nerve impulses. This forms a control network that connects functionally distinct regions. If we did only use 10% of our brain, it wouldn't make sense to have such a large amount powering the other 90%.